Hello students, welcome back. Welcome back to our lesson number 5, Tony the Human Wasp. So what we have learned up to now, हमने क्या सीखा था? टोनी एक सिंपल सा बॉय है एंड बाकी के ओल्डर बॉयज़ क्या करते हैं? टोनी को बहुत परेशान करते हैं, राइट? So Tony one day after having such bullies and all, he just went to the park and he saw a wasp. एक छोटा सा इंसेक्ट देखा and he observed it very carefully. And he decided that he would behave like the wasp. This means ऐसे घूमेगा क्या? No, he will make the people fright and because of his sting. So what he have decided that from the next day he will make himself free from all the fear of the older boys. So what did Tony do? That like an wasp, he will also make some stings. It means he will also make some plan. And on the next day he was very confident. The boy who stole his lunch box, he had to eat hot sausage sandwich. जिसने टोनी का टिफिन बॉक्स चुराया था, उसे क्या करना पड़ा? हॉट सॉसेज खाना पड़ा है ना, सैंडविच का. एंड दैट्स वाई ही वॉज वेरी क्राइंग, क्योंकि सॉसेज कैसा था? स्पाइसी था, बहुत तीखा था, राइट? द बॉय हु ट्राइड टू हिट हिम, व्हाट डिड ही सेड? I know the phone numbers of all, of his parents, of his teacher, of the boy, of this boy, and he is going to call them out. And what did the boy do? He just left to the Tony and he went away. Tony को परेशान किया क्या? नहीं. So like the wasps, Tony was frightening all the students, those who used to bully the Tony. Another bully wanted to take Tony's color pencil. So what was the another bully? It means और कौन सी चीज़ से परेशान करने वाले थे? The boys, they were about to take the Tony's color. Instead of giving them in fear, Tony gave the boy a small card written a policeman he knew. It read, "If you rob this boy, I will come after you and I will even lock you up." So नेक्स्ट चीज़ क्या करने वाले थे बॉयज? दे वर अबाउट टू टेक हिज कलर पेंसिल्स, राइट? क्या चुराने वाले थे टोनी की? कलर पेंसिल्स. सो इंस्टेड ऐसे टोनी अपनी कलर पेंसिल देने की जगह टोनी ने क्या किया? उसे एक पीस ऑफ पेपर, ही हैड गिवन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर और यू कैन से अ पीस ऑफ स्मॉल कार्ड एंड इट वॉज रिटन, इफ यू रॉब एनीथिंग ऑफ टोनी देन द पुलिसमैन ही विल कम आफ्टर यू एंड इवन the policeman will lock up these students, these little boys into the lockup. So what do you think? Students क्या हो गए? डर गए. Students come to the next page. The tactic worked. What do you mean by tactic? It means the particular method it was worked. Just like Tony had been afraid of their beatings, those big kids too were afraid of many things. So what happened? जैसे टोनी वो बड़े बॉय से डर रहा था, अभी बड़े बॉयज टोनी से डर रहे थे. On one occasion, a bully hit him a couple of times, and Tony had to be brave and carry out his warning. The bully got such a fright that from that day onwards, he preferred to protect Tony. So what happened? टोनी के साथ ऐसे बार बार होने लगा है कि नहीं? बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स, द ओल्डर वंस, दे यूज्ड टू बुली द टोनी, बट टोनी ही यूज्ड टू टेक आउट हिज स्टिंग, दैट इज हिज वार्निंग कार्ड्स. एंड फाइनली बिकॉज ऑफ वास्प द टोनी वॉज प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम ऑल सच काइंड ऑफ बुलीज. सो इन द एंड टोनी बिकम लाइक द वास्प ही हैड सीन. है कि नहीं? टोनी फाइनली वास्प की तरह बन गया. इट मीन्स without even having to sting anyone, he frightened them and ensured that no one would mess with him. Mess with him means to cause trouble for. So finally, टोनी कैसे बन गया? वैस्प की तरह. It means टोनी इंसेक्ट बन गया क्या? No, टोनी इंसेक्ट नहीं बना, बल्कि टोनी स्टिंग की तरह, टोनी वैस्प की तरह स्टिंग्स यूज करने लगा. It means he used to take out the new ideas and he used to make those students afraid. And finally, there was no any trouble in Tony's life. Understood, student? I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. So, what we have learned? Can you tell me what we have learned from this story? That We should never discourage because of such kind of people. We should face, we should be encouraged, keep encouraging to ourselves that we wouldn't let ourselves down. Understood? So here we are going to end up with the lesson. What you have to do is you have to read lesson one time. Bye bye.